Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting now. Make sure both your phone and TV are on the same Wi-Fi network, because casting needs a common network to connect. Once done, open the YouTube app on your phone and sign in if prompted. This lets subscriptions and history sync. Power on the TV and load the YouTube app or the streaming device input so it's ready to receive. Doing these steps first minimizes wait time and prevents connection errors later. Now start the actual connection. Tap the cast icon in the YouTube app and select your TV or streaming device from the list. This sends the video URL instead of streaming on your phone. If you're on iPhone and the TV supports AirPlay, choose the TV from Control Center for mirrored playback. If the cast icon doesn't appear, you can use an HDMI adapter to mirror your screen, or open YouTube on the TV and pair the devices using the on-screen code. Finish by using your phone as a remote. Control play, pause, seek, add to playlists, and toggle subtitles. The TV handles the actual playback so your battery lasts. When you're done, tap the cast icon again and choose Disconnect. Close the YouTube app on the TV or remove the HDMI adapter. If video stutters or won't connect, restart the router, toggle Wi-Fi on your phone, and reboot the TV or streaming stick. This simple reset resolves most network and handshake problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.